this is upcoming our festive season, and who are the master of our own self. We know we all are master of our own self. How we are the master of our own self? As we have to maintain all the safety measures in our festive season. So just before or after using this object, I have sanitized my hand and I am wearing this mask just to keep disease away from us, isn't it? So these all are the precautions we have to take. Why we have to take? So that we will become healthy after the festive mood or the festive time, because festivals are actually itself a great fun. We will have to do the fun, we will make fun, and we will do lots of activities related to our fun. But what the thing we have to do? We have to take proper measures so that we can be healthy after the festival also, isn't it? So enjoy your festivals, but take the precautions and be master of your own self, okay? And you control your own self from the diseases, and then you will be warrior, isn't it? You will become healthier person, and that will make you happy after the festival also, isn't it? So take the proper precaution, ever alert, never malert. So we will be alert because lockdown has been opened, everybody is going to the market, everybody will come to the pandals, and we will also go to the pandals to enjoy our festival. But we have to keep our mind, we will enjoy the festival in a healthy way. So what are our healthy ways? To keep social distancing, wearing the mask, and the third one is always sanitize your hand after touching any object. These three things will keep you well and healthy. Okay, so be healthy, be happy, and have a lots of fun. Now that's all I have just discussed with you for this reason, and now we will start seeds and seeds. Whatever the workbook we were doing in my last video, I have told you, and I have shown you few of the question answers in the video, and after that we will continue from the next question. So in our activity book, page 19 was completed, and then we have already completed page number 20, question number 3 and 4. So what else questions are there? We will start from question number 5, isn't it? Have you seen the when school will open, it is yet not decided. After your festival, maybe government will give any rule, or it will be declared. So yet it is not being declared, and when it will be declared, you will come to know from the website, okay? That I don't know actually. Well, so let's start the chapter. Seen the videos, whatever the videos I have given in my last class, have you seen it? I hope you have seen it. Okay, so we will start from the question number 5. Through which medium seeds can reach far and wide? Okay, so go through the video, and you will get all the 4 answers as well as the short answers whatever we have uploaded. Now we will start from question number 5. So workbook, it is a workbook. Now we will write the answer 5. What is the question 5? Through which medium seeds can reach far and wide? So seeds spread, write down the answer. Seeds spread, seeds spread far and wide, far and wide places seed spread far and wide places from their agents. From their agents. So who are their agents? Like air, water and explosion. These are the animals. So these all are the agents of the dispersal of seeds. So here we have written seeds spread far and wide places from their agents like air, water, explosion, or animals. Okay, so this is the fifth answer. Seeds spread far and wide places from their agents like air, water, explosion or animal. Okay. Now, what? No ma'am, what you have written? You go through the, okay, if you didn't see, then you go through the video which was uploaded already, and then I will all the answers I will upload in the e-portal also. Okay, you will get all the answers in the e-portal also. So you just write down, go through it. Maybe you didn't visit the visit the last class or didn't see the video. Yesterday video I have uploaded the question answers. Okay, if not, then next I will see again, and once we will revise the thing orally. Okay, now the next question, what is specialty of a pitcher plant? So write the answer 6. Pitcher plant is a carnivorous plant carnivorous plant especially found in India, found in Meghalaya. So pitcher plant is a carnivorous plant full stop, in India, found in Meghalaya. This plant has a special smell. This plant has a special smell. This plant has a special smell that attracts insects to it. When the insects land on the mouth of the plant, when insects lands on the mouth of the pitcher, it gets trapped. It gets trapped and cannot get out of the plant. And pitcher filled with digestive juices same time pitcher filled with digestive juices and the pitcher filled with digestive juices and digest the and digest that insect. Okay, so this is the answer. I think it's a big answer, and so write the answer. Pitcher plant is a carnivorous plant and yes, so the fifth answer is seeds spread far and wide places from their agents like air, water, explosion or animals. And the second answer is pitcher plant is a carnivorous plant in India found in Meghalaya. This plant has special smell that attracts insects to it. When insects land on the mouth of the pitcher, it gets trapped and cannot get out of the plant. And same time pitcher filled with digestive juices and digests that insect. Clear? Written? Okay. So only the two answers we have written here and one more answer and the next answer we will write in the the rest answer we will write in the next class, or you please go through your e-portal, because maybe I will give all the answers in your e-portal, because it is a time taking manner. We have to write lots of answers. So we will I will give few of the answers in your e-portal also. Okay, so that's all for the day, and we have completed only the two answers, but in the next class we will do the rest questions. Okay, so until that, goodbye, have a nice time.